Okay, let me send my stream. Hello, Shrija Gupta. Happy to see you. Shrija Gupta. Happy to see you. Let me share my link in a couple of places and should be ready to start. Why is my thumbnail? Thought I changed my thumbnail. Wait. Hmm. Okay. I guess it'll take a second to reflect, which is fine. Mm. Till then we can check key. How are my scenes looking? Let me put this here. Okay. Well, I'll do this commit in a second. Let's close this. Okay. Limited internet, all good. But I should put this here, no? Yeah, we should put that there. There you go. Hello Shubham, hello. क्या हाल? I am good. I hope I am audible by the way. Let me know volume वगैरह कैसी है. How do I... Should I just open my stream in a different thing? Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is much better. Now I can monitor my stream on the right side. Okay. Why can't I see chat? Yeah, this is much better. Now I can monitor my stream on the right side. Okay. Why can't I see chat? Yeah, this is much better. Now I can monitor my stream on the right side. Okay. Why can't I see chat? Yeah, this is much better. Okay, I can see now chat now, which is good. My stream on the right side. Okay. Why can't I see chat? Yeah, this is much better. Okay, I can see now chat now, which is good. My stream on the right side. Okay. Why can't I see chat? Yeah, this is much better. Okay, I can see now chat now, which is good. My stream on the right side. Okay, then I'll wait a few more minutes. Maybe Sajal and Ashank will join. Then Blood is a YouTube moderator, of course. Tandon wanted to pursue this as his career, but unfortunately that didn't work out. Hello, Anshika Goel. How are you? Your presence is much appreciated. Yeah, very proud of you, of course. Yeah, how क्यों? Did I say something wrong? What happened to the? Like, do you mean Shimoli? ओह अंशिका गोयल नॉट अनु दीदी वो तो जानबूझ के बोला मैंने प्यार से मतलब हेलो अंशिका गोयल like you're big now or okay I don't know hello Anu didi how are you by the way technically I am supposed to be on work right now and I am on work. The thing is there is a quote unquote blocker in my way. A blocker is something that blocks you from doing work. I think the name was pretty intuitive. So, I have a blocker at work right now, which means I literally can't do my work unless that thing gets fixed. Till then, my only work is to learn Angular, which is a front end framework. Um, and I am pretty confident I can learn Angular very quickly because I have the intuition behind it. So, should be fine. Uh, I'm just leaking my chats with Mr. Chat right now. Blocker is my brain. You're legit the best. Harsh, hello, 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 Harsh. Who is this Harsh Verma? Please tell me which Harsh this is. Would be great to know. Yeah, of course. You're legit the best. No, genuinely, you're legit the best. Dude, like okay, that's okay, you've actually inspired me to like have a creative outlet, which is a big reason why I am actually streaming because I wanted to have a creative outlet always. It's just that I found some excuse to not do it, so I was very inconsistent. Yep, it's me. Okay, hello, hello, Harsh. It's so nice to have you. I thought you had a code block, like an art block. Hey, I'm always yapping. Don't judge me for my yapping. Never judge me for my yapping. Of course, Anudidi, you're the best. Go ahead, couple. Say whatever you want. Just don't say something like dumb. No racism. We like the yapping. Yes, we do. What are you up to right now, Anudidi? Are you just like chilling for a week, like taking a vacation week kind of thing? Put cheese for you. Put cheese to you too. Bro, what? I'm saying don't be stupid. Rajveer Srinath. Hello, hello, hello. शारंग भाई की वापसी हो गई भाई. Hopefully, so कल मेरा setup, कल परसों में मेरा setup बन जाना चाहिए, and then I should be able to stream more regularly. I still haven't decided exactly what's gonna be. Like it's gonna, of course, bunch of coding videos, and then I want to stream the finals, maybe some Tekken 8, because my friend is gifting it to me, so maybe we'll play these games and then we'll see how that goes. Trying to chill for a week, but you're too packed. Damn. Okay. Let me know how that goes. Elden Ring? Why Elden Ring? And it's like 2024 now. Home Alone. I see, I see. Yeah. Good luck. We're gonna be chatting this weekend as well, so should be fun. We'll watch a movie. I'm very excited for that. Looking forward to it. Kapil, if Elden Ring is actually a thing in 2024, then I would be down. But if it's not, then there's no real point. घंटा कुछ समझ में आ रहा है लेकिन स्ट्रीम देख के मजा आ रही है ओके राजवीर मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि जो वीडियोस लाइक स्ट्रीम्स मैं करूँगा एंड वीडियोस गोना बी अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ गेमिंग एंड कोडिंग सो विल सी एंड गेम्स कौन से खेलने आई डोंट नो बिकॉज आई डोंट मतलब ऐसा नहीं खेलना चाहता कि वो बस कैजुअली खेल रहा हूँ मतलब मुझे डिसेंटली अच्छा भी होना है उस गेम में सो फाइनल्स थोड़ा बहुत आई एम डिसेंट एट द फाइनल्स बिकॉज आई हैव डिसेंट एम but I can't say for other games. That's why. Goat story. Yeah, no. Oh my god. Okay. Goat story. Now, should I say watch this movie or don't watch this movie? That's the thing. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. If you want a brain fuck on any certain day, like genuinely, you're just like everything is going too well in my life, and I just want to get my brain fucked. Watch this movie on that day. It's available on YouTube for free. Watch this movie on that day. I am not gonna show the screen anymore. Inappropriate. The DIC is coming? What do you mean? Do you mean Shubham? Not sure what you mean. But yeah, how are you doing, Raj? How are things? I don't even know like what you're up to these days. क्या हाल? चल क्या रहा है? Oh, DLC. I don't know why I read that as DIC. Okay. Yeah, I was excited for Elden Ring the first time I saw it. उसके बाद I never really looked into it. I'm waiting for Tandan because he'd be interested in seeing this betting bot. Okay, no problem. See you, Anu Didi. Love you as always. Take care. Bye bye. See you. Love you. भाई मैं लखनऊ में हूँ, लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी। सब बेहतरीन। ओके, सब बेहतरीन तो ठीक है। क्या कर रहे हो? लाइक व्हाट आर यू स्टडीइंग? कौन सा कोर्स? Pravesh, my guy. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? How are you? I went through your YouTube channel yesterday. I stalked your YouTube channel. Bro used to play PUBG and shit. Okay, I respect that for sure. I do. By the way, don't flame my thumbnail for being so low effort. It's I cooked it up in like 5 minutes. So please don't flame that. My fake Adobe Photoshop thing ran out. You're doing a BA World History. Okay, okay. So do you like it? Are you enjoying it? मजा आ रहा है कि just okay? You're going with it. It's your secret. Okay, I see. That's funny. That's funny. Pravesh, you played PUBG in 11th grade or 12th grade? Yeah, I saw I saw your streams. Is there a better way I can open this? I don't know. Let me see one thing. Oops. Let me see one thing. Mm, okay. It's fine. Fuck it. भाई 0% अटेंडेंस है लेकिन मजा आ रही है. Okay. I mean valid. So long as 0% allowed है, मतलब जाना जरूरी नहीं है. It's fine. Since then we started streaming in 11th end. So did you continue in grade 12 or did you just stop? Because I have a comment I want to make. That's why I'm asking. I have no idea how this works under the hood, by the way. It's so trippy. Like it just works, but how the fuck does it work under the hood? Hello Ashank. Hello. घर वापसी कब? Not anytime soon. Not anytime soon. Yeah, okay, look at this, look at this. It says print my array, does not print it. Print shuffled array, does not print it. So I said to him, so print it then. And then bro actually printed it. Very funny. Under 12th midterms, had to choose between Waterloo or esports slash streaming. Yeah, pretty much the same with me. Um, PUBG was actually much more logical. Valorant was like so dumb. So I'm very happy that I made the right choice, to be honest. So good for you. Full stack backend blockchain. अरे आशंक भाई आप भी इधर. हाँ, I know. I'm so happy Ashank is here. My coaching teacher is messaging me, so I'm gonna send him the link to my stream real quick. What am I cooking here? Basically, I have this betting bot. Well, so it's not very efficient. It's a betting bot made using Selenium. Uh, and the way it works is, I have gg.bet open here. Okay, so the way it works is, it gets all the, so it goes to each and every sport. So it goes to Valorant, CS, cricket, basketball, so on. And then it gets the link for each and every match. It gets the link for each and every match, and then it checks against a specific criteria if a bet is worth placing or no. So it'll get all these links, then it'll go here. And then it'll check if any of these links fit the criteria. And what is that criteria? If the multiplier is less than 1.15. That's what it checks against. If it is, then it plays the bet, otherwise it won't. So the idea is to make quote unquote guaranteed money, but that's not how betting works, of course. Money is never guaranteed. Um, but if you look at my bets here, let's go to settle bets and all bets history, right? So I don't know how. Okay, let's go to settled here. So okay, one one one. Then this I lost yesterday, and then other than that, you'll see like continuous wins here, and then one more loss in the middle. Yeah, just like one loss here, and then a bunch of wins further ahead as well. So it's like okay, you're making a gamble, right? So it's not like okay, do din mein paisa double or something like that, but it's like over time, you know, you're able to multiply your money a little bit. I don't know, we'll see. Like I don't know how effective a strategy this is, but we'll see how it works out in the future. चलो भाई चलता अगली स्ट्रीम पे आऊंगा. ओके श्योर, बाय बाय राज. बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आप आए इधर. थैंक यू. आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर टंडन. So right now, what the issue is that it's gonna go to Valorant, then it's gonna go to CS and so on, and then it's gonna place all these links in order. But you want to quote unquote diversify your portfolio, right? In finance. So similarly, you want to diversify your bets on this platform. So you don't just want to bet on Valorant, you want to bet on other games as well. Why do you want to do that? Because games like Valorant are very risky. There's only 13 rounds. You can fluke a win very easily in a game like Valorant. And CS as well now. It's only 13 rounds now. Earlier it was 16 rounds, so it was more difficult to fluke wins, but now you can easily fluke a win. So that's why you wanna kind of diversify uh, your bets. And so we're just going to shuffle this array, uh, this array right here. We're just gonna shuffle it, and that's gonna uh, be the solution that we want, I think. But we'll see. We will see. I am legit just waiting for Tandon because he'd be interested. I message him. And by the way, I don't know how legal this is, but should be fine. I don't know. So you can input the amount of profit that you want. Now, naturally, if you want 100 rupees of profit, then you need 1000 and then you need to 1.1x it, right? So that'll lead to 1100. So you have your 100 rupees of profit. So you need to have a minimum amount. So it requires some initial deposit. So that's why if I put 200 over here, it's not gonna work. I'm not gonna make 200 rupees. Good stuff. Thank you. Thank you. Um, but and also the architecture for this is very poor. It's just like, oh, there's a main, there's a main function, then there's a controller, and then there's a place bet function. Place bet function. So that's something I need to improve. I need to improve my architecture. Right now, if you just look at these, where's my controller? Yeah, it's like very untidy. Oh, you just have this. What does this do? It runs a for loop for this function, so on. It's very poor architecture because I need to add so many comments just to like be on the right track. It's very difficult to come back to this project again and again. Anyway, it's fine. What I can do is I can just run it once so you can see how it works. You go here, should authenticate automatically, ideally. Yeah, first it's gonna get the links and then it's gonna authenticate. So right now it's just getting the links. It's going to each and every sport, it's getting the links, and then it will authenticate, I believe. I don't even know what these sports are. Tennis, badminton, okay, that's fine. They don't have an API, dude. That's why, like, I was trying to figure it out. Even if they don't have an API, right? Like, it's like you can still send post requests based on the network. Uh, what do you say? Like the network requests. Unfortunately, even that does not work. I'll show you why in just a second. But yeah, they don't have an API, unfortunately. Yeah, I know, Big L. Dude, how many sports exist? Where are we? Alpine skating. Okay, we'll see. Not an issue. Hello, hello, Shubham. Hello, hello. Nice to have you back. Okay, so it's done getting the games. and sorry, the links. Now it's gonna authenticate. You can see my email. That's fine. It's gonna authenticate now. And before it places a bet, I wanna close the program. So okay, it'll go to the first port, and then I believe it will go to each, yeah, it'll go to each game, and then it'll start placing bets. So it's gonna place a bet here, it's gonna place a bet here, and so on and so forth. So I'm gonna stop it now. Wow. Okay, should be fine. My terminal crashed, which is absolutely fine. Okay, so what was I gonna tell you? Yeah, why can I not just do something like use post request, right? I'll show you why. A lot of diversification. Yeah, but to be honest, I'll make it more sophisticated later on in the future. Because the thing is, right now it's like, okay, it'll place bets on every single sport, maybe, right? Till the point that it reaches the amount that you want to earn. Like that's how it works right now. If you've placed enough bets to earn the potential profit that you inputted, which in this case is like 100, right? I put 100 rupees here. So it'll keep placing bets till the potential profit is 100 rupees. So it's diversified in that way. But eventually I'll make it like, very like handpicked. Okay, you only want to pick very specific sports and esports. So okay, I'll show you why I can't just use post requests. Let's say I want to place a bet on this game, right? So I'll just do this because I don't want to place too much money. If I click on inspect network, okay. So I place this bet here. You'll see what happens. It just sends a direct request to Google Analytics. So I legitimately can't use post requests for placing bets for placing bets. My God, I'm stammering. But I can use a post request for authentication. But again, there's no point in doing that because I legit can't do anything else with post requests. So that's why we're using Selenium. Unfortunately, very very slow, but you don't really have another choice. So okay, what I'm gonna do is I will print the links here so you guys can just see what's going on. Uh, and then I'm gonna exit. So I just run that. Again, this is gonna take a little bit of time, but that's okay. Yeah, it's gonna go to CS then Valorant. Yeah, okay. I'll get myself some water then. This is in a private repo, by the way. So I'm leaking my code to you guys. Okay, it's just getting the links. Yeah, won't authenticate. That's fine. So you'll wait, should be a couple or just like 30 seconds more. Okay, that is done. So we can see we have the links right here. Now, one thing you'll notice is the first game, this is a CS game. Okay, 412 links in total, by the way. The next game is also a CS game, and so on and so forth. And then we get to the Valorant games, and then we get to the other sports. So, to solve this lack of diversity in our sports, we are gonna do something very simple. Uh, we're gonna import random, and then what did chat say was the syntax? Random dot shuffle, right? So random dot shuffle links, and that's literally the solution. So I'm gonna add a comment here. Mm, for more diverse pets. Uh, that's pretty much it, I think. No rocket science there. And for now, oops, I'm just gonna break after the first one. Actually, I can't break after the first one. I don't want to wait for so long, which is the thing. Okay, we'll do one thing. URL counter. Hmm. And then if URL counter 3, I keep forgetting Python syntax. I just want to break. So what are we expecting here? We are expecting Valorant, CS, and Cricket. But I think this also varies. But if it's gonna shuffle it, it should be fine. So let's just check it out. So okay. And then we're gonna print links as well. And then we just exit. You have schoolwork to catch up on. No issues, Pravesh. Take care, buddy, and good luck with your schoolwork. And I think you have co-op next term, so good luck with your interviews if you don't already have a job, that is. So yeah, good luck with everything. Take care. Bye bye. Let's check this out. Yeah. So we can just go to these links, by the way. So that's a Valorant game. I was able to take a look. This is also a Valorant game. No issues. That is also a Valorant game. Did it not work? Let me see. I shuffled the links. Let me just see. Those are a bunch of games in the Saudi League for some reason. I don't know why. In a row. Hmm. Let me think. Okay, let me just change this to 2. So it's easier for me to see. Okay. So that is a CSGO game. I just need one game which is from a different sport. CSGO game. Why? Esports match. Okay, what is this? Okay, interesting. Did it only catch CS games? I'm not really sure. If I just go, how do I fix this? Okay, I know what to do. So it says 12. Okay. Yeah, it only got the 12 games from here, which is an issue. Is the array not getting shuffled? Okay, I know what to do. Uh, I'm gonna just initialize a random array here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm gonna shuffle the array. I just want to see if this is gonna work as expected. Let's comment this out and just print the array. It should take legitimately 1 second. So did shuffle it. Well, it didn't really shuffle it. It said 4, 3, 2, 1. What can we do here? Are we sure it's not shuffling it is the question. Let's see. Yeah, it only got the CSGO games. I don't know why that is the case. Your account starts at 0, adds here. Oh, oh, it needs to be 3. That's why it only got the CSGO games. And then we can just do links here again. Get rid of this. Because I'm adding here, and then once it's coming here, it's adding again. And so it's gonna be 2 after 1 iteration, not after 2 iterations. So, okay, let's see. Let us see. What the fuck? Did I do something stupid? Let's try it again. Error handling is something I'm gonna need to implement as well. Yeah, I think it's working fine now. It's working fine now. Aha, so it went to, oh my god, I didn't print it. But I saw that it went to Valorant as well. So now we just need, so after one game we just need like another like different game. That's all. That's the only thing. If we can verify that it works, otherwise it's might need to do something else. So 24 games identified. So that's a Valorant game. And then and a CSGO game. So the shuffle works. So we are going to be able to diversify our bets now. So we don't need to have this anymore. Print, I don't really need to print it. Authenticate, and then it's gonna, yeah, that's fine. Gonna get rid of this logic. Gonna get rid of this. It pretty much works as expected now. So now we should be able to bet uh, on different sports, which is very nice. Full backend HTML frontline all day night blockchain data technology AI something core Nexus core. Okay, yeah, it's pretty much sums up the average software engineer. It does not. What else can I do? So there are some other things I want to implement. So this is done. Dynamic amounts. Yeah, okay. One issue is right now it is going to find the button which is hard coded. Where is it? Place bet. So it's going to find the button. So the above was for 47 rupees. This button here is for 200 something rupees. And this is just going to click on the button. Uh, and as you can see, these values are hard coded, which is not what we want. We want to have a dynamic kind of thing, which I will do on a different day, not today. So this I will do some other time. Then error handling. Yeah, error handling is a big issue because if it doesn't work, then you pretty much have to rerun the program again, which is an issue. Other than that, yeah, shuffling the array works. That's fine. What else? What else? Yeah, I think I should just push these changes now. Dot git commit dash shuffle the links array. Yeah. Oh, hello Sajal. Hello, hello. कैसे हो? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Uh, yeah, if you want to see my betting history, it's been pretty good. If we look at my settled bets, so one, one, one. There's one loss here, and the rest are just wins, except for this one loss here. Everything else is just wins. Gambling goated. Yeah, well, I mean it's just like free money, right? No, I do not. Okay, I do not wanna encourage gambling through this, by the way. But I was like, it just came to my mind ki if there's so many save games and I don't want to go through all of them manually by myself, why don't I just make a bot for this, right? It's like okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Short stream today. I will have my setup tomorrow, and then we'll play some finals or some other sport, some other games. How much have you made by now? I multiplied my money 1.5x. Right now, there's a bunch of open bets, which is why you think you're like it's only 700 right now. But I was able to convert 1,000 into 1,500. Uh, and one thing is ki I didn't run the program for a bunch of days because I wanted to make sure that these bets actually work. So I didn't run the program for a few days. Like if I show you my task scheduler, then you'll see this this money maker. Yeah, so it runs the program. So I have this thing running. So I turned it off for a few days because there were some bets pending, and I wanted to make sure that those bets were successful, and only then did I want to proceed. So that's why uh, it was like sort of a testing phase, I would say. But now that I know that for the most part these bets are relatively safe, um, I'm gonna have this running every day. So as you can see, it runs every day at 9 a.m. So that's pretty much it. So short stream today. I will stream more going forward. What text do you use for this? Just Python. Just Python. Just Python. Unfortunately, this is a private GitHub repo, but I can add you to it if you want. You just DM me if you want me to add you to the repo. I can show you. Oh, okay, there's a different account. But yeah, it's on a private repo. But I can add you to it if you want, and then you can also start using it. Maybe if you want to take the risk. Blue stacks. Ashing is a funny guy. Ashing is a very funny guy. Oh, what else is on my mind? Yeah, eventually I want to turn this into an application that clients can buy. It's gonna have I'm gonna make it into a desktop app. So that will probably take some time, and I don't know if I want to do that on stream or off stream, but we'll see. इसको बेच और अमीर हो जा. We'll see. देखेंगे क्या होता है. The whole issue is कि it's betting, right? You can never guarantee money. Like even I have lost bets, even though they've been very very safe bets. So you can't say anything for sure. So okay, abhi I was able to do this, but then yesterday I lost a bet. So this came down to 1300, which is still very good. Like I'm not expecting to be able to multiply my money from in 2x or something like that. 1.3 is also big. The idea is to um I guess make more money than just some like safe investment kind of thing. That's the whole idea. Uh, so yeah, I mean let's see कितना profit कितना loss वो देखा जाएगा in the future. But yeah, that's the whole idea for now. And I'm not gonna put any more money into this like from my end. जितना है अभी, it's if it builds itself, it's fine. If it doesn't build, it's okay. I can take you through the. Did you conjure the complete logic on your own? Yeah, of course, because there's no like complex logic here. There's no logic really, to be honest. I can take you through the code right now. So there's the main function. Here we just have some imports. So this is the main function. Then you just input the amount of profit that you want in rupees, and then it goes here. It authenticates. So if you'll see here, this is the authentication code. It just goes to this link. It authenticates me, and so I can like start using my account. Then uh, if index equal to links dot underscore length. So index keeps a track of the number of times this program has been run. And if that number reaches the length of the total number of links, then the program terminates, right? Because you can't bet on any more sports or like any more games after that. So then it terminates. Um, but before it terminates, it just runs this. What does controller do? Res is equal to controller. What does controller do? It literally just finds it literally finds the text by this, like by this color. it finds a text by that color. So that's why you have by class name text violet 300. This was the class name. I can show you as well. Like if I inspect this, if I go here, yeah, so you can see, right? This property text violet 300. So that's, and this is a class, right? So what Selenium can do is it can find these elements by their class name, which is what exactly what this does. So nothing about this is complicated at all. And then for each and every element, so an element here, by the way, is a page, I believe. Or am I tripping? No, each element is every single bit here. So this is an element, this is an element, this is an element, and all these like purple text here, these are all elements. It just places bets on them. Place underscore bet. Okay, what does place underscore bet do? First, it gets the multiplier. How do we get the multiplier? How do we get the multiplier? Oh, element dot text. Yeah. So how do I explain? So you see this, right? I get this quote unquote element, and then the dot text, like I do dot text here, right? So what this does is it gets the text here of this div. So if that amount is less than 1.15, which means it's a relatively safe bet, then it will just click on that. Otherwise, it will give some reason for not being able to. So nan is for not a number. So this was just for cases where you would have that purple color somewhere. Yeah, it's just for that. Like if you have that purple color somewhere, but it's not actually a number, so then it'll just give you this error. And to check that, I just have this is number function, which basically just tries to convert text into a number. And if it is a number, then it's fine. You can click on that element to place the bet. Otherwise, it just does not place the bet. So it's pretty simple. Nothing difficult about it. There's no real logic going on. Yeah, like there's nothing logically hard about it. Just like knowing the functions, and of course, our friend chat is always here to help with that, right? Like I am pretty sure I can show you my thing. Yeah, see, like this was my whole Selenium gg.bet research going on over here. So yeah, I did make the logic by myself, but it's not hard. The architecture is hard because my architecture right now is garbage. Oh, there's a main function. It calls the if in a for loop it calls the controller. Okay, what does the controller do? In a for loop it calls the place bet. Like that's very poor architecture, and these can probably be separated. Like a main function should not have these many like this much logic in it for sure. Like it can have some logic in it, like okay, some print statements is fine, but like this is like overkill. So let's see if I can separate that at some point. But yeah, let me know if you want me to add you to the repo and then we can work on it together. Okay, I will get going now. I am getting a call. My Amazon order is probably here, which means my PC parts are here. So I will get going. So it was fun streaming today, to be honest. Uh, I like streaming. Hopefully, my setup will be done in the next couple of days, and then I'll be able to stream some games. So all gaming streams on the computer and all coding streams on the laptop. That's my current idea. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye, Sajal. Thank you for joining. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate everyone else who joined before. Yeah, hopefully more streams going forward. Um, and I think they'll be in the evening. Canadian time in the evening, Indian time in the morning. But we'll see how that goes. Chalo, bye bye, bye bye. I love you all. Take care and let me know if there can be some improvements to this code. Let me know if you want me to add it to the repo and so on. Okay. Bye bye.